Hi, hello, good afternoon everyone. Today I am here to discuss about the topic sets. Let's start. What is set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. First, let us see what is a collection. What is a collection? Let us collect some natural numbers. Natural number less than 10. Natural numbers start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are natural numbers less than 10. So 10 won't be there here. What I have done here, collection of natural numbers less than 10. Which type of collection it is? Which type of collection it is? It is a well-defined collection. What do you mean by the word well-defined? Suppose you may ask any other person, they may say same answer. You may ask any other person from other country or other state. Everyone will say natural numbers less than 10 means same answer. Does the answer differs person to person? No. Anyone from any place will say the same answer. So what I can say this collection? I say this collection is well-defined collection. So let me take some example of well-defined collection. Here we have vowels of English alphabets. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the well-defined. Other than any other alphabets you say it as a vowel? No. Only these we call it as a vowel of English alphabets. So any person you ask this question, anyone from any place is going to answer any only A, E, I, O, U. So which type of collection it is? It is also a well-defined collection. One more example. Select 5 numbers from 1 to 10. It is a not a well-defined collection. Select 5 numbers from 1 to 10. Suppose you take any two persons. Let A is one person and B is another person. A will select numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and B will select 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, same answer do you get? No. A choice is different and B choice is different. Whoever you ask this question, answers will be different. Are the answer will be same? No, there will be different. So this type of collection we call it as a not a well-defined collection. Here this and here this and this and here this and this is a well-defined collection. This is not a well-defined collection. So the answer vary from person to person or place to place. So what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects represented by capital letters A, B, C, D. Any letter we can use in the English alphabet to represent set. Elements in these sets are represented by small letters. A, B, C, D. Any letter you can use. Always sets are represented by capital letters and elements inside the sets are represented by small letters. Elements inside the set means these are the elements. Also call it as members or objects. Okay, if I take A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. A is a set we represented with capital letters, and elements always we represented in flower bracket. This is a curl or flower bracket. You can say, suppose we can take A, E, I, O, U. A is an element of set A. How do you say this? A is element of capital A is also a element of A is element of set A. How can you represent it using a notation? How can you represent this one? I may write this as a belongs to A. A belongs to A. What is the symbol? The symbol is epsilon and belongs to. Suppose if I say P is present in this set. P is present in this set. No. So what you write? P is not an element of set A. That directly I can write P is not an element of set A. Means P is not belongs to A. Whereas A, E, I, O, U all the elements belongs to A, E, I, O, U all the elements belongs to set A. But P is not belongs to set A. I am going to end this session, and the next session we are going to continue with next topic. Until then, keep watching. Thank you all. Bye bye.